Alright, hi guys. I just finished setting up. Today I'm escaping from the Crystal Cave on Roblox Marble Mania, but it got switched to Marble Quest since it has plus 200 quests now. It has over 200 quests, so it got turned into Marble Quests. So yeah. Also, I lost my teeth, one of my teeth. So now, when I say that, it's hard for me to say. So yeah, you want to get on Marble Quest and go through the orange portal and click yes, then go, and then find the cave that has a sign above it saying Crystal Cave. Go in it, and then avoid this pond right there, and then go through that colorful thing. Go in orange. Then you want to go in pink. Then don't go there because that's just a dead end. Go over here. Then you want to go through green, which is the middle. Then still go through the middle, which is yellow. Well, also this is a very colorful cave because of the crystals. And then you want to go through red. If not, yeah, red. And then you will want to go. Oh yeah, the first time you see red, the red path, don't go through there, or else you'll see a sign with a red exclamation mark, not a question mark, a red exclamation mark on a sign. And then if you go past it and ignore it, then you'll see this path that just leads into space. Don't go through there and go back up, because then you'll fall, because that's actually the void. And then you'll spawn back at the beginning and you'll have to go do it all over again and try to find it and escape it again. But once you get past there, you want to go through blue. And at the end, you should find and then at the end, and then after blue, you should find this weird place with that on top. You should see this cannon right there. Go up there, then it should launch you. Just wait, and you'll go, and you should see this. And if you ever seen this hole before, yeah, that's what it's for. And yep, you should be back over here. You should be finished up there. Then you can just do that all over again. It takes a little bit of practice to memorize it. And yeah, all you want is just to do it. Just do what I did. And then you can just look for it by doing that. And then go through here. And then you should find it again. And then you can go through there and do it all over again. Oh yeah, if you go through the waterfall, if you go in, and if you don't want to go through, do not go down here, because then there's no way to get back up here. So yeah, never go down there if you go in the cave. Brush it a little bit. It right there without going down there. Do not go down there and switch directions if you do not want to do that and re-escape. And yep, that is all for today's video. Bye guys.